Hi everyone, listen up. I have some exciting news. Have you ever seen a home that just needed a few updates? Well, Cornerstone Home Lending is now offering a new loan program that allows you to roll in up to 10% of the purchase price of the home into your loan. It's called the Big Box Home Enhancement Loan Program. You can now turn that almost perfect home into your perfect home by rolling in the cost of improvements back into your loan. This program allows you to finance home improvement projects like updating your appliances, flooring, paint color, or a variety of small-scale repairs. If you have found that right house, but it needs a few upgrades, the Big Box Loan Program is the perfect fit for you, and it's exclusive to Cornerstone. If you would like to have more details, please call me at 405-241-5327 or apply online at angiehaag.com. Thank you for watching. Hope to hear from you soon.